Want to download the official Windows 11 ISO safely from Microsoft? In this video, I'll show you the easiest and fastest way to download Windows 11 ISO in 2026. This method is 100% official, safe, and works perfectly for creating bootable USBs or installing Windows directly. First, open any browser like Google Chrome. In the search bar, type Download Windows 11 ISO. Open the official website from Microsoft. Scroll down to Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO. Select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. Now choose your preferred language and click Confirm. Click 64-bit Download. The ISO file will begin downloading. The file size is usually around 5 to 7 gigabytes, so download time depends on your internet speed. When done, click to find the ISO file. You can use this ISO file to create bootable USB, install Windows without USB, upgrade Windows manually. If this video helped you download Windows 11 ISO officially, don't forget to like and subscribe to IT Next for more Windows tutorials.